Hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on here, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button and I will be most grateful for that. So in today's video we are making spaghetti jollof, party spaghetti jollof. This recipe is so easy and so delicious to the taste. If you're interested in knowing how I make this delicious spaghetti jollof, please keep watching. So the ingredients for this recipe, I'm using spaghetti. I'm using this particular one. It's actually 2 packs. I'm also using tomato puree, carrot, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, chopped onion, bacon, boneless chicken, black pepper, salt to taste, and seasonings. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is to season my chicken, and for this I will be using thyme, black pepper, salt, and soya spice, and marinade sauce. I'm going to mix it thoroughly and then leave it to marinate for about half an hour. You can do longer if you got the time. And at this time, I'm going to add some vegetable oil into the pan. And when it heats up, I'll be frying my bacon. I'll fry until perfectly fried. Once the bacon is fried, I will be transferring into a plate, leaving the residual oil in the pan. Now I have to add a little bit oil into the pan to fry the marinated chicken. Now I add the chicken and allow it to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it is perfectly fried. See, after frying, this is what it looks like. See how beautifully and juicy they look, right? In another pot or pan, add a little vegetable oil, allow it to heat, Now add the chopped onion, stir fry it. Then add the tomato puree, allow to fry a bit. Now I will be adding the seasonings. At this point, I'm going to stir it thoroughly and then leave it to fry for about 3 minutes. Now while it's frying, I will be making my spaghetti. In a pot, pour in some water, add little vegetable oil and salt, and allow the water to boil. Now add the spaghetti. Allow it to cook until it is tender. Okay, it takes about 8 to 10 minutes. I always advise you cook according to the instructions on the pack because they come in different textures. And as you can see here, it's still a bit firm, and that is okay for me. Now I have to take it to my sink and strain. Now I'm back to the tomato base. As you can see, now I have to add my chopped vegetables. In this, I'll fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can do longer, but that just depends on how you like your vegetables. Okay, I like mine still a bit crunchy. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll begin to add my spaghetti. I'm going to do this gradually so I don't end up with too much spaghetti or too much base. So I'm just going to mix this thoroughly and then add a bit more as I go. Okay, be adding bit by bit. And once it's fully combined, I will be adding the bacon and the chicken. Mix it, just mix and mix. And once it's well combined, allow it to simmer. But first, I forgot to show you that I'm using spring onion. So lastly, I'm adding the spring onion. Mix it and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Guys, You really need to try this pasta. It is absolutely flavorful. Okay, it was amazing. And please, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment in the comment section. I will really love to read them. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Hope you love it. This is yummy. Thank you.